What drives us at CERA is improving the quality of life of the people affected by vision loss. So CERA has the ability to look at all of the major diseases that cause vision loss and blindness. That's unique in Australia.
At CERA we have a very large research program into macular disease. We cover really the basic science area, so trying to understand what causes AMD, all the way through to clinical trials.
Inherited retinal disease is the most common cause of blindness in working-aged Australians, and so we're very interested in learning more about those conditions and developing some new treatments.
There are many people suffering from glaucoma worldwide and in Australia.
My job is to diagnose glaucoma earlier so that we can prevent vision loss in people. And we can actually tailor treatments for them instead of just using the one treatment to treat everyone.
Our research is trying to understand the communication between the cells that are located in the retina, and we are investigating these cells, how they talk to the blood vessels.
If we understand this, we can work on getting new therapies out there.
Diabetes is becoming more and more common in Australia. 1 in 5 of those people will actually develop diabetic eye disease. A lot of the treatments that we have are for late stages where you've already lost vision, and so what we really need to look at is being better at detecting early eye disease.
We've had incredible advances in our ability to image the eye in incredible levels of detail.
We're seeing things that we could not see through any other imaging method available currently in the clinic. Changes in the brain and in the eye for Alzheimer's disease develop up to 20 years before the onset of memory impairment.
Genomics is changing the way that we diagnose, treat and understand different eye diseases.
Gene therapy has been a game changer for eye disease. For most of my career I've been telling patients with inherited retinal diseases that there's absolutely nothing we can do to improve their function. And that is now starting to change.
My lab focuses on using stem cells, so we are developing a gene therapy to regenerate the photoreceptor to restore vision in the patient.
Currently, young patients living with Usher syndrome, there is not any cure. So with the latest genetic technology, my team is developing gene therapy that can be fundamental, cure this disease.
Tissue for Research helps provide understanding to our researchers here at CERA and elsewhere about the eye.
And the idea is that we will develop a tissue-engineered cornea. This will mean that we won't need to use donors for every single case. We'll be able to use one donor and amplify that to 50 different corneas.
I'm really excited about the future of CERA.
It's a really exciting time. We can see a big pipeline of discovery.
Talented researchers with new ways of doing things.
New ideas, new innovations, new medicines, new therapies and devices coming from around the world.
We're right at the cusp of that big transformative step forward.
Centre for Eye Research Australia. Cerulean Clinical Trials, Lions Eye Donation Service, Melbourne. Hope in Sight, cera.org.au. Donate today.